line dancing, and I'm here to show you Mr. Lonely. Mr. Lonely is a 32 count 2-wall line dance. It's choreographed by Robert Royston, and it doesn't have any tags or restarts in it. So let me turn around and I'm going to give you a better vantage point to start this dance off. It is an easier dance. I do tweak it a little bit because the original choreography, there's some swivels with some knees. It's a little bit hard for those with knee problems. And it kind of has, like, if you ever see the line dance, it's featured in Midland's video, which is, the song is actually Mr. Lonely, that goes, that's by Midland. So you'll see some dance girls in there. So it does have a little bit of a video girl look to it. It's super cute. If you want to try that version, you can. Our version is a little easier on some people's knees. So let's get started. I'm going to turn around, give you the best vantage point. You're going to start with weight on your left, and you're going to be moving forward on the diagonal to the right with some step togethers, okay? And that's actually going to be your first 8 count, and you're going to do 4 of them. So you're going to step forward with your right, slide your left together, step forward, together, forward, together, forward, together. So that is your first 8 count. Not too bad, right? So let's try that. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step together, step together, step together. Again, that's forward on the diagonal to the right. First 8 count. So moving on to the second 8 count, top of the second, you're then going to take and slide back diagonal left, kind of heading back to your home position. You're going to slide, step this back, 1, slide together, 2, and you're going to stomp 3, 4. You're going to do the same thing, 5, 6, 7, 8. So stomp, stomp, okay? So step back with that left, slide the right to meet it, stomp, stomp with the right. Weight's going to shift over, allow you to slide back again with the left, slide that right to meet your left, stomp, stomp. So let's try that. That's your first 2 8 counts. We'll put it all together, nice and slow, and I'll also put some counts in the second run for you. So starting from the top, weight is on your left, moving forward diagonal with your step touches, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step together, step together, step, touch, slide back, stomp, stomp, slide back, stomp, stomp. All right, let's put some counts to that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, I threw my styling in. You don't always have to, I like to tend to step together. That's pretty much, I kind of pop my butt out on that one a little bit. You'll see that in the video, so that's not original to me. When you do your slide back, I like to do a little bit of step, dip down, slide, and do my stomps, dip. Again, that's in the video. Not really original to me, but it's just some styling. If you're not into that, especially if you're a guy, just do your step back, stomp, stomp, back, stomp, stomp. All right, we teach you the steps, you make it yours. So that's your first 2 sets of 8 counts. Let's try that again just to refresh it. Moving forward, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's step together, step together, step together, step, touch, slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp. From here, this is where I kind of did a little bit of a change. So it's not really a change, it's a modification for people with knee problems. So after you do your slide, stomp, stomp, in the choreography, they do a half turn and like these swivels, okay? So they pretty much kind of make an immediate half turn and swivel like this. It's hard on some people's knees to do that. So what we came up with is a modification. I think it's easier for a lot of people to do. You just did your slide, stomp, stomp. Weight is still on that left, so you're going to do some heel steps and changes as you make a half turn over your left shoulder, okay? So you're going to put and make sure, like, your turn, however you want to do it. If you turn fast and you want to do things right in place, go ahead and do that. If you want to take your time and do increments on the turnaround, you can do that too. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be alternating your right heel and your left heel as you make a half turn over your left shoulder. So you're going to do your right heel, step down, swap over, left heel as you make a little bit of a turn. I happen to already be on a quarter turn, step down on your left, put that right out, step down on your right, put that left out. So that's one whole 8 count. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the other thing that I want to make sure that you guys do, because it's a struggle and it really does make a difference, because if you don't get your feet set up in this position, you're going to want to have a tendency to move in a natural direction, which is opposite of what the step sheet is. And obviously I'm commenting because we had that problem in our dance group till we figured out, okay, this is what you guys are doing. So we just did our heels, right heel, left heel, right heel. What I want to make sure you guys do, at least on these last, is I want you to take a wider stance on this turn. So the right heel is out, and I want you to put your left heel out and have a little bit of a wider stance. And I'll tell you why. It's a hack to get you guys moving on the right direction. So being weight is on your left, or is on your right, and your left heel is out, in order to make the next move, you have to step down, which is going to automatically move you into this direction to the left, because you're going to step in, then step out together, okay? If you are doing 2 small turns, a lot of people naturally have a tendency to step to the right, then to the left. It's not choreographed that way. You step in, then out. So nice and slow, we're gonna do it on our heel turns. Starting with the right, half turn over your left shoulder, right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, step. You're gonna step in with your right and touch to the left. You're gonna step out to the right with your right, and you're gonna touch with the left, okay? And then you're going to do 2 half turns. You're gonna step forward, half turn pivot over your left shoulder, step forward on that right, half turn pivot over your left shoulder. Weight's going to transfer on to that front leg, of course. It's pivot turn, and it's going to prep you to move forward because that is the end of your dance. So let's put all of this together nice and slow, and we're going to run through this. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step together, step together, step together, step, touch, slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp, right heel, turn, left heel, turn, right heel, turn, left heel, turn, step, touch, step, together, step, and turn. So that is the end of the dance. Let's take it from this direction. Again, it's a 2-all line dance. So moving forward on the diagonal right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step together, step together, step together, slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp. Right heel, turn, left heel, right, left, step in, step out, step, half turn, step, half turn. Okay, let's try that wall again because I really want you guys to see the last set of 8 counts because that is where a lot of the problems occur. Otherwise, this dance is really easy. So let's try this wall one more time, moving on the forward diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step together, step together, step together, slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp, right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel, step in, step out, step, half turn, step, half turn. This is Lisa from Crew Country Line Dancing. The dance is Mr. Lonely, choreographed by Robert Royston. It is a 32 count 2-wall line dance. It is a beginner line dance. The music is Mr. Lonely by Midland. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See y'all on the floor.